Welcome to Pure Octane Garage.
We bring you detailed information
and other automotive goodness.
All that other automotive goodness, right?
So please consider liking, subscribing, ring the bell so you know when we put up a new video.
Yep.
Share with your friends. Check out our merch. Link is in the description below.
Yep, we appreciate all that, guys. Yeah. Hey, I want to throw something out there real quick. I'm looking at our YouTube stats, and we're going to show this up there. 95% of the people that watch our videos are not subscribed. Please help us out.
Yeah, I mean,
we'd really appreciate it. Consider subscribing if you like what we do.
Yeah.
But we're gonna show it to you guys so you know we're not lying. We'll post the screen cap of that. So
yeah.
We need your help, please. All right, guys. Okay, I'm done off my soapbox asking for help. We appreciate you guys though, and you subscribers that have subscribed. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We appreciate it more than you know. Hey, we want to talk about a new to us brand.
Yeah.
Wizards.
I'm not familiar with the Wizards brand.
I'm not either. I have seen it before, but
okay.
I don't know a lot about it. This came in a Glovebox subscription that they sent to us, remember?
Yeah.
So we were like, hey, let's check it out. It's just a detail spray, so nothing fancy here.
Yeah, so we're not going to spend a lot of time, but we thought we would cover at least, you know, the label. And
yeah, we wanted to talk about the packaging of this first, right?
Really? Because, yeah, exactly. Because
you said it looks like
unique.
A strawberry starburst.
That's what it looks like. This color here, I don't know if the camera picks that up.
Makes you think, yeah.
But it does. It makes me think of a strawberry starburst for some strange reason.
And then I think what we keep gravitating towards is the sprayer is different.
Right? The sprayer is, like, we get a lot of products, and a lot of them have
the same generic sprayer. They work fine most of the time.
This one's like all rounded and completely sealed, and it's either on or off, on or off.
Not the full 360 degrees of rotation.
Not like streaming off and then spraying off.
So it shows how amused we are. We're sprayer.
Yeah. Isn't this exciting?
But let's talk about the details, right?
Yeah.
How many people tuned out? Sorry.
Come back, please.
We will use the detail spray. We will use it.
Yeah, we will.
Anyways, nice big bottle.
Yeah, let's see. It says adds gloss to paint and chrome.
Okay.
Wizards Mist and Shine Professional Detailer. Super gloss, super slick, and anti-static.
So that should help with dust.
Anti-streak.
Right. Okay, we like no streaking.
Brightens all paint, chrome, plastics, and motorcycle windshields.
So you can spray anywhere, just like we're used to detail spray, right?
22 fluid ounces.
Well, that's important. Yep.
It's a big bottle.
Product number 01214, in case you need to know. It says it's fast, fun, and easy to use on all hard surfaces. And we talked about where you can use it
we'll
already.
see if it's fun.
Detailer, it says to use this regularly to quick dust and give your vehicle that just wax, slippery feel and wet look without scratching, streaking, or smearing. Safely removes dust, bugs, mild road grime, oily fingerprints, and light water spotting. Perfect for use as a waterless wash or final detail after machine buffing. Okay. So we know what you can use it on. I think that's it. We're going to shake it lightly shake, not vigorously. Spray onto a dry surface and then work a small area at a time with a microfiber. They tell you to use their microfiber in the number, but we don't have that. So
we don't. But
we're going to use our microfiber.
We've never opened this. We've never sprayed it.
We got to smell it, Ryan.
So we got to see if it
on
the scent because. You know, I mean...
I'll let you go.
I think the scent of a detail spray is important.
I think it is too. Go ahead and spray.
Leave a comment down below if you feel the scent of a detail spray is important.
And if you've used Wizards products.
Yes, please, let us know. How would you like me to apply it?
Directly to the panel. Directly to the panel.
I hear you. I hear you.
Oh, I'm trying to take the smell in.
I got fingerprints over here. I'm going to see
it smells good.
Oh, it smells like, yeah.
It's candy smell, not Starburst, but candied smell.
Oh my gosh, yes, very candied. I'm gonna lightly and gently.
I'm gonna do some too, because
wipe away. Yeah, please do.
I feel like wiping.
Okay, so quick observation. There's no streaking.
Very smooth. Wow, that was really easy to put on.
Okay,
that was really easy to clean.
There's a nice light breeze coming in here, so it dried the surface. It got rid of my greasy fingerprints. See that? No greasy fingerprints.
That's an easy to use detail spray.
Here's another tip. Don't eat greasy food before you touch your vehicle surface.
That would be bad. I feel slickness added already.
Okay. Well, when it said that, I was like, sure. Yeah. But no, it's slick.
It added slickness.
It did.
It definitely did. And
I wonder what's in there.
Some detail sprays do, but there's not a lot to say about a detail spray, so there's not a ton, but I mean, if they work, they work. And that's what you need them to do. They need to take off the fingerprints, the light dust, without scratching, And they got smell good.
Yeah. Oh,
That-
and
that's
this, not to interrupt you, but
No,
it is
no.
made in the USA.
We love that. Always love Made in the USA. Now, where
Looks
are they
like
at? Hanover, Minnesota.
Minnesota.
All right. Cool.
But, well, it ticks all my detail spray boxes so far.
yeah,
Smells
you
good.
can't complain.
Easy to use. Didn't streak. Wiped off real easy. Yeah. The
clean what
sprayer
we
was
needed to
nice.
clean.
Here, I'm going to try it again.
More detail spray.
No, that's a good solid sprayer.
It is.
Because every now and then you get
No
a product.
creaking, no...
Yeah, or leaking.
Oh, that's the worst.
Do you remember that one that we got recently? It was
It's like ripped
creaking
out of our
and
hands.
leaking.
Yeah.
This
That's no fun.
is actually a solid sprayer.
So nice, and the bottle's a thicker bottle too. Now you did say that the plastic was a little
It does
sharp.
smell good. Good job, Wizards. Yeah, did you see that? I watched it as
it dried?
as it dried and no streaks.
Yeah.
Now, I don't think there's an easy way for us to test the anti-static claim.
That kind of has to sit and
I don't
see
know.
what happens.
It is very dry and staticky here.
Cool product, guys. It's fun to try out something we've never tried before. And there you go. We've added gloss to paint with a good detail spray.
Slickness and yeah, that's pretty much all we need
Yeah, that's
to
all we
say.
can say. All right, cool Wizards product there. Maybe I have to check out some more Wizard stuff.
Yeah, let us know. Let us know what your experience
if
with
there's something we
Wizards
should
is.
check out, definitely.
Because yeah, again, like Brandon has said, and I'm just repeating, we have no experience with the product line.
All right, guys. I say that's it for this one, Ryan.
Yeah, pretty straightforward.
Good detail spray. Thanks for watching. Off to the next video.
Yeah, we'll see ya in the next video.
All right. Later, guys.
Later.
Just adding in those fingerprints for the detail spray. Yeah, handprints.
Don't
Full on
dent it, Ryan.
handprints.
Jeez.
Hey.
And welcome to you.
Yeah, welcome you
That
to
was
Octane.
terrible. Let's
Welcome
keep
to you.
going.
I messed you up.
Welcome to you.